I genuinely thought I lost my DJI Neo too. I mean, the craziest part is the conditions weren't perfect. It was a bit windy, not storm level crazy, but definitely gusty. You know, that kind of wind that I still fly, but need to respect it a bit. And I think the craziest part is I fully thought it was my fault. Sent it off to DJI, to the DJI famous Care Refresh, and everything's come back sweet. I want to appreciate DJI so much. I'm not sponsored, but this whole experience showed me why. And now I'm not even gonna do some over dramatic YouTube reaction. I'm just relieved because I was already mentally prepared to take the loss on this. Couldn't believe DJI approved my replacement. A day later, 2 days later, after the initial email, this arrived. So let's open this properly. As I was already, oh, I cut myself. As I was already ready to take the loss on this. Let's get this open. Properly, they've packed it well better than I packed it because I just put it in the box in a bag. So DJI, I want to thank you so much for replacing my drone free of charge due to a malfunction on the drone, not it being actual pilot error. So let's see if this is the actual same drone I sent them or I've got an actual brand new one. The one I sent them had some defects. So they've packed this well. Wow, 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 they've given me a brand new unit. Wow, sealed, brand new. Then, wow, DJI, I appreciate you guys. I actually appreciate DJI. So, wow, I actually appreciate DJI. I actually really appreciate them. So, I've got a replacement drone, guys. Let me just get into this. I appreciate them the most. They've given me a replacement drone. Completely brand new, fresh unit. It's clean. I can't even lie. This is where DJI Refresh actually proves itself. Because in that moment when the gimbal disconnected mid-air, I genuinely thought that was it.